Hello, I'm Ricardo Nunez, and this is your latest One St. Petersburg construction update. The structure continues to move along well. We're on floor 17 and our garage deck progresses. You may be able to see that we've jumped our cranes higher and have installed 3 construction elevators we call buck hoists to move materials and workers up the building. I'm going to take you inside the building and show you the interior progress. Framing is ongoing in levels 2 through 6, along with electrical, mechanical, and plumbing. Progress in our construction for our parking deck continues here. As you can see, we're forming the ramp from level 2 parking to level 3 parking. Here you see the view from our formal social room on level 7. Perfect unobstructed view of the bay. It's beautiful. Here's the view from our center unit on level 8. Level 9 and masonry installation for our exterior walls. We are on the 17th floor, and as you can see, we've just started framing the deck. One St. Petersburg is going to change the skyline forever, and we're so happy that you're going to be a part of this with us. As we make the full turn around the building, you can see the amazing 360-degree views that we have of our beautiful city. And now finishing on the amazing bay and active community that is St. Petersburg. We thank you for being a part of us and look forward to next month's update.